Hi, day 2 at Printpack India, and I'm now with Abhay Datta, who is the CEO and founder, I understand, of UV Graphics. Very nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
So, you've got a very good stand here today, and you're showing a lot of equipment. Can you give me a little bit more information about how the company came about?
So the company was started in 1986. We started manufacturing UV curing systems. Later on, we started making coating machines, then hot foil stamping, and then flexographic printing machines.
Right, okay. And the machines are built, I understand you've not had to travel that far. Your company's based in Noida, is it?
Yes, we are about 20 kilometers from here.
Right.
15, I would say.
Oh, okay. So a lot closer than we are.
Of course.
So all the machines are built here in India?
All the machines are built in our factory, including all the components, the UV dryers, the foiling units, the print cylinders, the plate mounters, everything is manufactured in-house.
Right, okay, and I see you have an affiliation with Kurz.
Yes, we are showing the Desto run with a foil optimizing attachment.
Right.
This is in cooperation or partnership with Kurz.
Right, okay. And the market at the moment, we get different feedback on different areas, but certainly for your side of the market, how is the Indian market at the moment?
The Indian market is booming. There's a huge demand for label presses, and because label presses are now focusing on flexible packaging, as you can see on our machine at the moment, we are running a flexible packaging job. This is an in-mold label. And so now flexography is not just limited to pressure sensitive labels.
Right.
You can do in-mold labels, you can do stand-up pouches, you can do all kinds of flexible packaging, lamitubes, even carton.
Right.
So you can print up to 600 microns of carton stock on these presses.
Okay.
So the market is expanding. There are more and more people who are getting into this business, and due to the versatility of the press, we find a very huge base of customers.
Right, okay. And what about further afield? Do you export?
We export all over the world.
Oh, okay.
We have machines in Mexico, in North America, in Europe, in Africa, in the Middle East. So we export all over the world.
And do you have subsidiaries or do you sell through agents?
We have agents all over the world, and we are represented by a lot of agents all over the world in different parts of.
And they, I take it, have specialist engineers for maintenance and that kind of backup.
Yeah.
Well, it's been an absolute pleasure to meet you.
Me too.
I hope you have a fantastic show. It's very busy today,
Yes,
and they're starting to filter through.
Yeah.
So have a great show,
Thank
and
you.
I'm sure we'll see you soon.
Thank you.